Every day in manufacturing is a race against time and quality. But what defines real success? Let's take a closer look. For many, it's a constant battle: inventory shortages, quality issues, and disorganized schedules. What if the chaos could be eliminated? With PrompTech, everything you need for smooth production is right at your fingertips. With everything integrated into one system, from planning to delivery, the chaos fades and efficiency takes over. Wondering how? Let's see how your manufacturing can be transformed. With PrompTech manufacturing operations software, every aspect of your production is covered. You have BOQ management for accurate material tracking and budgeting, real-time stock control to avoid shortages, and labor management for optimizing workforce efficiency. With streamlined production, you're not just keeping up, you're delivering results that matter. With PrompTech manufacturing operations software, achieve higher productivity, reduced costs, and smoother operations. Transform your manufacturing process today.